Using Kayak gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to book travel services easily. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Visit the Kayak website. Go to the official Kayak website or open the Kayak app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account or create a new one if necessary. Step 2. Search for travel options. Enter your travel details such as destination, dates, the number of travelers. Click on the search button to find available flights, hotels, or car rentals. Step 3. Select your preferred option. Browse through the search results and select the flight, hotel, or car rental that best suits your needs. Click on it to proceed to the booking page. Step 4. Enter gift card information. On the payment page, look for the option to enter your gift card details. Input the gift card number and any required PIN or security code to apply the balance to your booking. Step 5. Complete your booking. Review your booking details and ensure that the gift card amount has been applied. If there is any remaining balance, choose your preferred payment method to cover it. Finally, confirm your booking. Now you're ready to enjoy your travel plans using your Kayak gift card. Happy travels!